बसंत पंचमी essay in English. Basant Panchami is celebrated every year in the Magh month of Hindu calendar. It is celebrated on the 5th day of the Magh month, which generally falls on February. The day of Basant Panchami, also known as Saraswati Puja. Basant Panchami has a specific meaning. Basant means spring and Panchami means 5th day. Everyone enjoy the festival with great pomp and show. People celebrate Basant Panchami to gain blessings from goddess Saraswati, who is the goddess of knowledge, music, arts and language. Kite flying is a popular tradition on the day of Basant Panchami. On this day, the birthday of goddess Saraswati and the arrival of the spring season is celebrated. Celebrations happen all over the country, full of peace and happiness. On this day, people wear a yellow dress and offer yellow flowers to the goddess Saraswati. Basant Panchami is celebrated in various states of India in different ways. People, especially the students and the musicians, worship Saraswati with great devotion. People visit temples and pandals, observe fasting and sing devotional songs on the occasion. On Basant Panchami, holiday is declared where schools, colleges and offices are closed. On this day, kite flying has become a tradition and is enjoyed with great joy. This festival associated with religious, seasonal and social significance among the people. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.